Alright, we're on the job. I've already broken a pin. I've already gone through the safety about the auger not falling off on you and changing everything. Pins falling out. And this pin already fell out once, twice. Then we put 9 gauge on it to hold it in. Now that's holding on fine, but this whole pin already fell out once. Now we have lost a tooth. This tooth is getting loose. That one's gone. That one's about to come off. And this one's loose also. Ow, that one's warm. Our pilot's gone. That's for digging through the rock. Let's go see if we can find it. It might be in here somewhere. Might get lucky. Look at that. Can you believe that? First pull. Right there. I don't know if I'd be lucky enough to find the bolt or the nut. Been here for a while. Feel it in here anywhere. I guess I'll have to get a shovel and dig all of this out. But at least we have the tooth. Alright, everything falling apart. But we're still going. Get this thing set before you know it. Did a bunch of grading work out here. Cleaned it all up. Let's just go do an update on the sonotubes while we're here. We've got this graded. It's like day 3 of filling in the grade, but it looks like these guys did a really good job, and they're raking this all out now. Right up to our string, looking good for grade. Looking really good. Looking great. Looking really good. Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. You're gonna be the pole anyway, right?
Yeah.
You can level that. This is gonna be on the ground anyway.
Yeah, we've got like
What do you think?
6 inches on center. That's looking really good, man. That's looking pretty nice.
That's what if you want it, right? Like you want like 2 feet,
Yeah.
like, kind of like to walk around here.
Yes, for putting the fence in. Perfect. Yep. Yes. Really good, guys.
I don't know if you want a compactor or not, or
Eh.
'cause I got a plate compactor if she wants to.
I mean, it wouldn't hurt. You know, it'd be nice. It'd probably settle down a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's going really good. And then in the end, if we need to fill anything up, we can fill it up after we put all the wire on.
Yeah.
And do the final, but leave us enough room to get the wire in, maybe go and butter everything up in the end. But yeah, looking great, man.
Yeah.
Great area for working now.
Right here, now you're gonna,
A lot better, 9 feet taller.
yeah. All right.
Yeah, good work, guys.
After all this, putting all this gravel and stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. That was a lot.
Nah, like almost the whole hill.
Yeah, almost a whole entire hill over there. Unbelievable. A lot of work.
It's gotta be at this level, right? At the line level, pretty much.
Yeah, you know,
close.
it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, I mean, it looks good. You get a good looking fence in here
So
now.
just yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at that grade. And once this is raked out, we'll get a nice clean shot all the way down here. Let's make a little incline.
Yeah.
It's a little roll and step down here and then just shoot that straight all the way out. It'll look really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How much you guys pay for those rolls? Fancy.
These sauna. Oh, for those? Oh, I don't know. I'd have to ask. I'd have to ask on that. I didn't look at the price
They
tag.
come with the white thing inside already, right?
Some of it does have the white stuff.
Or some of it you have to put it in?
Yeah. On the really sharp hills, we got regular chain link. It forms a little bit better, and then we'll slide them in. And then on the straighter areas, we've got the pre-inserted slats. They go a little bit. You know, you can do a little bit with them, not a lot.
I have to get some to the left for my home. I live right here across the street.
Yeah. I'd imagine it's probably like 15, maybe 15 or 20 bucks a foot.
For the wire with the white stuff?
Yeah, with the white stuff in it.
Okay.
All right, yeah, looking really good, man. Thanks. A lot of rock on this job, but man, what a grade. Oh, this is gonna be nice now. Got our other guys jackhammering and getting those holes ready for the auger so we can do this. Goes through that stone really nice. Crumbles it. Huge. Got a bunch of grade work through here. Got these guys down here.
Lined it out for you.
All right.
Did you get that one over there?